Definitely maybe to heal screen brain and mold brain. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. This is my new MO. This is my new maxim. This is my new saying so that I can heal myself and keep moving forward in my recovery journey. This maxim will serve you too. So what do I mean by definitely maybe? Definitely maybe is the saying that I say when something could definitely maybe be toxic for me. So if you're struggling with screen brain and especially explicit content, and you decide you're going to go use the screen in a certain way, I want you to know that especially if it's that hijacker's voice, it definitely maybe is toxic for you. That could be social media, that could be videos, that could be movies. Definitely maybe. Now, if you're gaming and you've gamed for 1 hour and you're like, yeah, I'm on a roll, I'm going to stand for another hour and another hour and another hour, you definitely maybe are doing something that's toxic for you. Where's that threshold? I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure you're going to cross it. Now, talking about mold brain. We have to move again, and we're trying to decide if we have to get all new furniture again. I had to get rid of all my everything, every single belonging in my life. It's an exercise in non-attachment, which thankfully, not thankfully, but because I don't, I'm getting my booty kicked by mold, I don't care as much as my people did. But we've all learned to, unattached from the belongings we thought we needed, and it's really been kind of a really cool learning experience. But now I might have to do it again. So we're like, we've only lived in this townhouse for 4 months. Do we need to get rid of the belongings again? Because basically this type of mold that's kicking my booty has cotton-like fibers, and it gets right into, especially all soft belongings, but it can get into wood, it can get into walls, it can get into everything. And then basically it can't be cleaned out. It has to be cut out or thrown away. So definitely maybe is like, that definitely maybe could be toxic. We got to ditch it. That definitely maybe can be cleaned, but that definitely maybe could be toxic, which means most things have to go again, which is insane, but we've already committed to that. Thankfully, I bought affordable things that I didn't think we were going to stick around long. I did think it was going to be more than 4 months, but I thought it would just serve us through our journey until we get back into our home. But looks like there's going to be some new replacements because it definitely maybe has to go. So today, your brain hack is apply the idea of definitely maybe to the actions that you're about to take. Is it definitely maybe toxic for you? It doesn't have to be 100%. If it's definitely maybe a problem, stay away from it. Pivot, go in the other direction, be willing to ditch it, be willing to not go in the screen, be willing to look at it for what it is, and it will save your brain. And you'll be able to keep healing and moving in the right direction. Okay, I hope that helps. If you're looking for help on the journey, please go to my website. I offer 15-minute consultations where we can talk privately about your situation if you need help. Most people need help. It's so hard to solve your own problem in pendulum brain without the tools, techniques, and strategies that you need. If you're ready to move forward, check out my programs. I have digital programs. And if not, stay with me here. All right, control your brain or it'll control you.